The purpose of using manual settings in the connectors is that connectors placed in the automatic mode are not always correct. Therefore, the user can easily add, modify, and delete the connectors at their convenience. We're going to see that directly in GO2Dental. We are now in the GO2Dental application. So we're going to import an element, select the type of element, and then complete the import validation. We're going to select a used blank here. As you can see, connectors have automatically been placed around the element. Here we're going to click on manual connectors. If we switch to the isometric view, you will see that the shape of the connector is circular. By clicking on this drop-down menu, you can change the shape of the connector. For example, if we select rectangular here and you click on the full update button, you will see that the shape of the connectors has changed. So this full update button is used to update all the settings in the table to all the connectors in the disk. Now we're going to change the shape back to circular as it is the conventional connectors used. Here you have the possibility to adjust the parameters of the connector. In this case, since we have selected circular, you can adjust the diameter. For example, if we set it to 3 and then click on full update, the diameter and the shape has changed. You can also give a taper angle to the connector. Now we're going to delete a connector. So first we're going to switch to the top view, zoom in, and then delete this connector by clicking on the bin button. So whenever you are in the top view and you click on the silhouette of the crown, which is shown by the cyan line, the connector is placed directly on the equator line as shown in the automatic connector video in lesson 1. By clicking and dragging on this green arrow, you can change the position of the connector about the crown. Now if we switch to the isometric view and we delete this connector, if you click directly on the surface of the crown, the connector will be located exactly where you have clicked. By clicking and dragging on this green button here, you can reposition the connector as desired. Once you have carried out the modifications, you can click on Validate.